Hey everyone! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading? If so, let me introduce you to BingX, a leading platform that simplifies trading and offers incredible opportunities for both beginners and seasoned traders alike. And here's the best part. By using the BingX Referral code CHUCHU, you can unlock exclusive benefits that will enhance your trading experience. Imagine stepping into a vibrant marketplace where traders from around the globe converge to buy, sell, and exchange cryptocurrencies. BingX is designed to make this experience seamless and enjoyable. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily navigate through various features, whether you're looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins. The platform supports multiple trading pairs, ensuring you have ample options at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the advantages of using the referral code CHUCHU. By entering this code upon registration, you gain access to special promotions that can significantly boost your trading journey. This could include reduced trading fees, bonus credits, or even exclusive access to trading tools and insights. It's like having a VIP pass in the bustling world of crypto trading. But that's not all. BingX also offers a unique social trading feature that allows you to follow and copy successful traders. This means you can learn from the best while potentially increasing your profits. Imagine being able to replicate the strategies of top traders without having to spend years mastering the market yourself. Security is paramount in the crypto space, and BingX takes this seriously. With advanced security protocols in place, you can trade with peace of mind, knowing that your assets are protected. Additionally, their customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns. In conclusion, if you're looking to embark on your cryptocurrency trading journey or elevate your existing experience, BingX is the platform for you. Don't forget to use the BingX referral code CHUCHU when signing up to unlock exclusive benefits that will set you on the path to success. Happy trading!